In this video we are going to create a simple margin monitor that is going to show you all the margin levels on your chart. In this case it's not doing very much because we are not trading, but on your real account it will show you everything about your margin.
In this video we are going to create an expert advisor. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start MetaEditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. Inside the OnTick function, we begin by getting account information using the AccountInfoDouble function. We retrieve several parameters such as account margin, free account margin, initial account margin margin level, account margin maintenance, account margin stopout call, account margin final stopout, and account profit. These parameters provide details about the account's margin and profit status. Next, we use the AccountInfoInteger function to get the margin mode information. The AccountMarginMode variable stores this information. We then create a readable string variable called AccountMarginModeReadable to make the margin mode understandable. Depending on the integer value of account margin mode, we assign it a readable value. Netting mode for 0, exchange mode for 1, and hedging mode for 2. We also retrieve the margin stopout mode information using AccountInfoInteger. The account margin stopout mode variable stores this information. Similar to the margin mode, we create a readable string variable called AccountMarginStopoutModeReadable to make the stopout mode understandable. Depending on the integer value of account margin stopout mode, we assign it a readable value, account stopout mode in % for 0 and account stopout mode in money for 1. Finally, we use the comment function to display all the retrieved information on the chart. This includes the account margin, free account margin, initial account margin level, account margin maintenance, account margin stopout call, account margin final stopout, account margin mode, account margin stopout mode, and account profit. After writing the code, we press F7 to compile it. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the compilation works, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester. Pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should now see the expert advisor on the chart displaying the account information. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that retrieves and displays various account margin and profit information with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope you can see the margin monitor on your chart. If this was too fast for you, or if you have no idea what the code is doing, maybe you want to check out our premium course on the website. I say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.